Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Stone and feather move outside your head. Now or never. Strong in every step. Give me a sign. Hitting the mark. Take to the sky.
About to start Operation Get the Drone Back. Need a coffee first.
Good morning.
Morning, mate. You right? Did you have a good sleep?
Yeah.
Yeah. Bit early for filming, isn't it?
Yeah.
Where are you going?
Going to get the drone back. Operation Get the Drone Back.
Please take care. You will be careful, won't you?
I'll be careful. I promise.
Bring me back a drone.
I'll try. If not, I'll bring you a fish.
I don't believe you.
Wanna see if we can hit that road by a taco food truck. My still were on and I wanna see if you gon' hit that.
So it's just dawned on me what it is I'm about to do. I'm about to abseil on the side of a volcano. I was like, that's pretty cool. Wonder how many people are doing that right now. I really hope it all goes to plan and I can remember my climbing knots. So fingers crossed. It's been a while. Look at that sunrise. Gorgeous.
I'm sat here trying to figure out exactly how I feel about the fact that Ross is currently traversing down the side of the highest point on Nisyros. Always an adventurous life with Ross around. Yesterday we visited the volcano. Awesome. Ross decides to get some drone shots. I said to him, you can't fly the drone that high. It's too high, it's too far, it's too windy. But he was determined. So we went up to the church, the highest point in Nisyros, and I said, don't you dare stand on that wall. Because he's not scared of heights and he loves standing on walls.
It's funny, I'm not nervous. I actually just feel bad that I forgot to say goodbye to Josh. In fact, I didn't say anything to Josh this morning. And I don't know why, it wasn't intentional. And this is the thing, being a parent, you just start to feel guilty for all these sort of things. And now I really wished I'd said goodbye to him. But I can't drive back now. I'll tell him I love him later.
So now he's attaching himself by a rope to the church pillar and he's going to stealth mission it down to a very dangerous part where the rock is basically falling away. I know he'll be fine. He's got all the climbing gear, he used to climb anyway. He'll be fine. He'll be fine.
So we're just arriving now. I hope there's no one here. I'm just gonna have a look at some anchor points quickly. Get everything ready. But first of all, check this out. Look at that. That is stunning. A little bit of sea mist. Haven't seen that in Greece for a while. And Operation Drone is down there. Okay, so I've got 3 anchor points here. I'm just gonna tie it around these 3 pillars. Should take my weight. Well, if it doesn't, I'll be bringing the church down with me. Yeah, so I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, over the wall, down to there. So I'm just gonna get geared up. Then I'm gonna have to be quite quick because I don't want to get caught doing this. I'm all set up, ready to go. Got my harness on. Just got a couple of anchor points. Just want to get the show on the road now. Here we go. Stage 1 complete. Now, I'll show you down here. I hope no one's seen me. There's the offending article. I'll have to put it in my bag and get the F out of here. Beautiful view. You can see the sea there as well. She's all tucked in. Stage 2 complete. Nearly there now, just got to get up over there. Okay, it's all de-rigged. People in the town have just seen, so I'm going to get the hell out of here. I'm on the main road now. I think I got away with it. We got our drone back. 2 pigs on the road. You don't often see that, do you? Free-range pigs here. That view, amazing. There's definitely something about doing something a little bit dangerous and a little bit naughty. This is going to be one of those moments where I'll always remember. You know, it's like another memory to the memory bank, another story. This is what it's all about. Life's all about living and banking these memories. It's not all about money and things. I'm not saying go out and do, you know, things that are wrong. I'm just saying I think people should try and push the boundaries a bit more and, you know, just get out there and get your blood pumping, whatever that is. A bit of adrenaline, whether it's mountain biking or whatever you're into, just push it a little bit harder. If you're not outside your comfort zone, you're not growing. That's what Laura always says. Yeah, I was definitely outside my comfort zone this morning and I feel amazing now, like just absolutely buzzing. So I can't wait to see Laura and the kids and have some breakfast. I'm gonna wrap that up. I'm not sure what we're doing today, but I think we're gonna keep the car and do a bit more exploring. So we're back at the port. It's the park there, where the kids play. I'm gonna miss this little place. Car hire place. This is where we live at the minute. It's quite cool being able to park your car right next to your boat. Home sweet home. I'm gonna go and give Josh a hug now. It's been on my mind all morning.
Is he gonna be back soon? He's alive!
Mission complete. Hey Josh.
Hello.
Have a hug. Come here. Oh. Daddy remembered I forgot to say goodbye to you. I felt a bit bad.
Don't worry.
Did you feel? Were you alright?
I was alright.
You weren't even bothered, were you?
Probably for the best that
Good
they didn't
boy.
know. We're at the Volcano Museum. Let's go in. In we go. Thank you. Cool. Look at this. Amazing. Did you bring the kids to the Volcano Museum?
Well, yeah. These are types of volcanoes. That's a picture of a lava. Can you see?
Pretty cool, isn't it?
I bet my brother knows a lot about all these things. Hello Dave, if you're watching. What's that rock from then?
This is pumice. Used to use this a lot in my work.
But where does it come from?
It comes from volcanoes.
Do you know which bit of the volcano?
Yeah.
Gonna?
The pumice part.
Great thing about living on a boat and being able to just go where we want when we want is there's no one here. We've got the whole museum to ourselves, which is really lovely. It's a cool place. Very interesting. We are staying in there. And yesterday we also came all the way up here and went down all the way to the volcano. Well, we're done with the Volcano Museum. That was really good. Very informative, nice and concise. Not too much for the boys to have to take in. And really cheap, €4. And we can go back whenever we want. So I would call that a successful field day trip.
What is it?
This is sumada. It's made of almonds. I thought the boys might want to try it. Do you want to try some? It tastes like marzipan. What do you think?
Some.
Do you like it? Try it. Want to try some now?
That's lovely.
There you go.
I should go on those now.
Very good for you.
Where is this love that I want? Up in Coconut Palm Springs, darling. I'm in Coconut Palm Springs, darling. Yeah. Why don't you join me too? Coconut Palm Springs, darling. I'm in Coconut Palm Springs, darling. Yeah. Why don't you join me too?
Wow.
It's amazing. It's so natural.
Look where the heat's coming from.
Look at this. Look at this crystal in here. It's coming
Tell
out
you where the
here.
heat comes
See
from.
this?
The heat,
Yeah.
The crystal.
the heat that's generated comes from a volcano.
It does.
Just maybe we can let it go, live life. Why don't we leave it behind? Up in Coconut Palm Springs, darling. I'm in Coconut Palm Springs, darling. Yeah. Why don't you join me too? In Coconut Palm Springs, darling. I'm in Coconut Palm Springs, darling. Yeah. Why don't you join me?